Hey guys, my name's David. On this episode I'm going to show you how to get rid of wasp nests. So now it's easy to get rid of them by just smacking them with a broom or an ice scraping brush from my car, but to keep them gone is another trick. So let's first off get rid of these wasp nests. I have 4 of them, at least 4. I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 of them. So I need to get rid of them right now, and then I'll show you the trick for keeping them gone. So first off, we're going to hit them and run. I'm stirring up an army here. Okay, I think those first 2 are dormant. The 2 bigger ones are back here, which are probably active. Yeah, the big ones are here. Yeah. Okay, we got one left. It's the biggest one. Oh, jeez. I think there's one in my shed as well. Okay, I don't know if you can hear me in here, but there's like a huge one in my shed. Ooh. That one was like this big. So I don't know if you guys can see them, but there's some buzzing around here. It's not nearly as bad as last year because they haven't fully moved in yet, but I've got rid of them now. Now the secret, I did this last year and it 100% worked. You can see the remnants of it here actually. So this is what we're going to be building. So I'm going to build a new one. So all we need is a brown paper bag. I'm using a bigger one this year because this is what I have. Some jute and I don't know, maybe some scissors. But all you're going to do is make something that looks like a hive, and wasps will not build a nest near a nest that already exists. So you just want to make sure there's air in the bag like this. You can blow into it and fill it up more after you've created a little funnel. I mean, this is already full enough. And then you just want to shape it into the same kind of general oval shape. So that's going to be good enough. Okay, so all we do now is just tie this end on there and we're going to hang it up. Ooh, I can hear them buzzing. Okay, so now we've got our new wasp nest. Just want to make sure we hang this up. I do have a second bag so I can put it on the other side of the shed, because for whatever reason they love this shed. I should note too, once you do this, you're going to kind of annoy your neighbors because all the wasps are going to go over to their house. Okay, that's it. Now we've got our wasp nest. I'm going to go set up another one on the other side, and that's basically it. Okay, so we can see inside my shed here, at the top, I have the wasp nest up there, the fake one. The old one was just to the left side and hooked on the inside. So what you want to do is put these paper bags near where the wasp nest was, just after you smack it down, and then the wasp will think another crew showed up and took over their territory. Hopefully you found this tip helpful. Man, it's bright out here. My eyes really haven't recovered since I tore off the outer layer of my eyes in 2014. But hopefully you found this helpful. Consider subscribing, and until next one, have a great day.